guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup tutorial for you guys, and it is a get ready with me for the Taylor Swift concert. Today is day 2 of the Chicago Taylor Swift Stadium Tour, and I'm super excited. So I wanted to record this makeup look for you guys, as well as insert a few clips from the concert. So first is the makeup tutorial, and then I'll show you guys at the end a few clips from the concert. Starting off with our eyes, I'm using the Tarte ShapeTape Concealer as my eyeshadow primer, just setting that on my lids, and then I will be blending it out with my Beauty Blender. For this look, I'm using the BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. And I'm first taking that very beige color and applying it all over my lid, and this is just to set that concealer and to make it a smooth surface to blend out the rest of these shadows. And I'm going with a more natural look only because I want to wear a bright lipstick. And now I'm taking this dark brown shade that's right here in the palette and applying that to the outer corner of my eyelid, making sure to blend it out into the crease and a little bit into the middle of my eyelid. For the inner half of my eyelid, I'm using that really pretty gold shade, and I'm wetting my brush so that the gold can really stand out when I'm applying it on my eyelid. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional as my face primer, and the reason I didn't finish up my eyes is that I will be going back in with eyeliner, and I don't want to get my foundation or my concealer on that black eyeliner. I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation for this look. It is my absolute favorite, as you guys already know, and I am going to be outdoors and it's a little bit chilly, but I know that this foundation would be perfect for today's look. For concealer, I'm taking again the Tarte ShapeTape Concealer, putting that right under my eyes, my forehead, and then down the bridge of my nose. I absolutely love this concealer, as you guys know, and it is just amazing. It does not crack, it stays in place all day, especially if you set it with setting powder, but it is my go-to concealer, and that is why I'm always using it in my videos. To set the concealer, I'm taking the Airspun translucent powder, setting that right on top of the concealer, and then I will be moving on to doing something else before I wipe that away. For brows, I'm taking the Anastasia brow powder in soft brown, and I'm filling in those brows. And now to wipe away all of that translucent powder that we let set on our face, And then I'm moving on to my liner, so we're going back to eyes. And I'm taking the NYX Liquid Eyeliner to create a nice small wing. And I'm definitely not the best at doing wing liner. My sister is way better, but I definitely try, and my wing didn't come out that bad. For mascara, I'm taking the Benefit Roller Lash and just applying one coat of mascara on both of my lashes to prep them for falsies. For falsies, I'm taking the Eyelure and Nicole Guerriero lashes in 143. They are so voluminous, so beautiful. For bronzer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. And I really like that this bronzer is warm toned because it makes me look like I have somewhat of a tan, even though I really don't. I really need one, but it's a beautiful bronzer. For blush, I'm taking this Tarte Blush right here. It is a nice rosy color, and I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and of course dragging it backwards. I love that blush look. Finish off the eyes, I'm taking that dark brown shade again, and I'm applying it onto my lower lashes, and I'm definitely blending that out. I love creating a completed look, especially if I'm wearing darker colors on my lid. I want to make sure that that look looks totally complete by applying that darker shade on my lower lash line. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this white highlight from the same palette and I'm applying it into my tear duct. For highlight, I'm going in with the Becca and Jaclyn Hill highlighter in Champagne Pop. Oldie, but definitely a goodie. That is one of the staple highlights that you should definitely have in your collection, guys. Moving on to lips, I knew I wanted to do a red lip because it is definitely a staple for Taylor Swift. And I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Red Hot or Hot Red, one of the two. And I'm just lining my lips to get it ready for my matte liquid lipstick. Next is the iluvsarahii and Colourpop collaboration in Arriba. Beautiful red with a somewhat blue undertone. So perfect. It did not budge all night, and I was, drinking water and eating snacks, and it did not move, guys. So definitely a must for your collection as well. To set all of this beautiful makeup, I'm taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, spraying that all over my face. And then I'll be applying one coat of mascara to my bottom lashes with that same Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. And to completely finish off the look, I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeliner, the 24/7 one, in black, and I'm applying that to my waterline. And that's the completed look. I love the way it turned out. It was perfect for a Tay concert with the bold red lip. And now here are some clips from the concert. Enjoy! that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys love the makeup tutorial. I definitely wanted to wear a red lip for Taylor Swift since she is infamous for wearing red lipstick. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys went to the Taylor Swift concert. I'd love to know. What did you like? What was your favorite part? Let me know. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.